guys, welcome to my channel, and today is Monday, December the 6th. This weekend I had my nieces over and we did some crafts, and I always love to do crafts with my nieces, and I always did with my granddaughter as well. I think that they can show their creativity, and I don't know, it's just so much fun. We just love it when we get together and have an opportunity to do a craft together. So I challenged them. I took them to the Dollar Tree and I challenged them to make a Christmas craft by picking 8 things or less from the Dollar Tree, and you know, they had to come up with their own idea, and so that's what we did this past Saturday, and we had a lot of fun, and we did some video of it, and I'm going to share that with you today. So if you have any kids or grandkids that might enjoy doing crafts, maybe you can share this video with them. My 2 nieces are 10 and 14, and I love the idea that they had. They thought of it all on their own. When we were at the store looking for things, they picked whatever it is that they thought that they were going to need. I just told them that I had glue and that I had paint and anything else that they could pick as long as it was $8 or under. So I'm going to go ahead and share this video with you today. I hope you enjoy it and that you will share it with the little ones in your life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Hi guys, so I have 2 beautiful girls here with me today. What's your name?
Alexa.
What's your name?
Gabby.
Gabby and Alexa. They're my beautiful nieces, and today I have given them a challenge. They can go to the Dollar Tree and spend up to $8 max in order to do a Christmas or DIY. So that's the challenge. We are on our way now to the Dollar Tree, and they're gonna pick things up to $8, and they're gonna create a beautiful Christmas craft. So we're really excited, and we're headed off to the Dollar Tree now, and when we come back we'll show you what they got. Okay, so we're back from the Dollar Tree. Alexa, what things did you pick?
Okay, so we're back from the Dollar Tree, and this is the stuff that I got. I got a stencil. I got 2 packs of these bows. I got some markers, a snowman that has lit snow on it, and a round wooden piece.
So how many items did you get, Alexa?
Let's see. I got 6 items.
All right, good. You're short too. That's awesome. I can't wait to see what you create.
Yeah, and for fun, I got a toucan.
Aw, okay, that's cute. Okay, so we're now going to Gabby. What did you get, Gabby? A foam?
Foam ball.
A flower foam? Okay. A gift bag? Oh, that's not for your Christmas craft. That's just an added bonus. And a wooden ornament. Is that all you got? 3 items?
I'm so crazy. I'm gonna make one better than hers, and she got only 6 things.
I'm sure they're both gonna be good. Okay, so let's go get, because you're also gonna use some hot glue, which we have, and some paint, which we have, and I think that's pretty much it. So let's go get those things, and then let's start. So Alexa, I see that you have finished your craft. What did you do?
So I decided to make a countdown to Christmas. So each of these days, I will put a bow on it. So let's say it's December 1st, I'll put a bow on December 1st. So yeah.
As the days progress.
Yeah, and I put them all in this little bag, and I'm gonna have it close to it. So each day I just take one on.
Well, how did you come up with this idea? It's really nice.
So we were in the Dollar Tree, and I was thinking of stuff that I should do, and I Googled for some inspiration, and I found some people doing like countdowns to Christmas, but with different materials. So I thought, oh, I should make one like this, and they made theirs of Santa, and I made mine of a snowman.
Well, I think you had a great idea. And where are you going to be putting this?
I'm gonna be putting it in the living room because I already have a countdown in my own room. So.
All right. Well, I think your mom is going to love it. You're all going to enjoy it. And how old are you, Alexa?
I'm 10.
10. What grade are you in?
5th.
Well, you are a very creative 10-year-old. Thank you for being on my channel. I love the way that it turned out.
Thank you.
I love you. Mwah.
Love you. Mwah.
So, Gabby, are you done with your craft?
Yes.
Let me see what you did. Wow.
The Grinch.
That looks really cool. Tell me a little bit about it. How did you come up with that idea?
I don't know. I saw something green in the dollar store, and I thought it reminded me of the Grinch. So then I was like, oh, the Grinch hand, and so like got this like ornament. So it's ornament on ornament.
And so I know that you love to do art, and that you're so creative. How old are you, Gabby?
14.
And?
9th grade.
9th grade. That is really cool. Where are you gonna hang that?
I don't know.
At
Somewhere
your
in the house, and probably in the living room. People can see.
Let me
the
see.
Grinch.
Wow, it looks so good. You did such a great job. Wow, I'm really impressed. And how much did you spend? At the dollar?
$3.
Just $3. And really, I think you only ended up
I
spending
only
two.
I only ended up using the 2 because this is. I didn't use this. I didn't use this because it looked weird. Like.
Because you were gonna use that as the ornament.
Yeah, it looked weird, so we just decided we're gonna just put
Yeah,
that.
and it looks really good. And the paint we had, and the little cotton balls, and the glue.
I probably will add more cotton balls, like little ornaments here, because it kind of looks a little empty, but it looks fun. for
Well,
now.
you did a great job. I am really impressed. Thank you so much for being on my channel, Gabby. I love you. I love you. Bye.